Hello, this is Cameron doing a proof video on one of our trade line posting. We like to do these videos at least twice a month showing our trade lines are posting on a regular basis and ensure that they're real and they do post. A lot of people have trade lines that do not post and they're scammers, but we like to show proof of our work. We're proud of our work. We like to show our trade lines posting. So here's another one here, 756 score. He got a 8.9 year trade line. He got a, let me see, I believe it's a U.S. bank. Yeah, U.S. bank. Got a nice boost because of the age. I always tell people, always choose age over the limit. Age always gives you more boost than limit, especially if you have utilization issues, like your credit usage is high, then you might want a high limit card. But if your credit usage is below 10%, always go for years over credit limit. In this case, it was about 9 years old. Let's see here, 2013. It's about 9 years old. So there you have it. U.S. Bank posting. I believe this line here costs $480 too. It's not that expensive. Call us for more information. It's 202-213-2218 or subscribe to our list at tradelines.biz. We're still doing credit repair at creditsweeps.us for more information. We're also offering a free consultation before you buy trade lines. We go over your file if you need us to give you some advice on what lines might be best for you, or if a line can or cannot help you, we give you free consultation. So again, call us, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Again, it's 202-213-2218. Have a great day.